So today we are going to see about one love broken to suddenly jump another one love. Is it right or wrong? So I'm getting a failure. So I got a failure on the love. So I'm going for another one love. Suddenly I'm just jumping uh, uh, to another one boy or the girlfriend. So is it right or not? That is what we are going to see as a topic. Is it right or wrong? So first we need to understand in what way we are going for the love. So how my mind thinks about this love, why I need a love beyond my biological needs, beyond my all my emotions, which is naturally it is falling just because of my age, beyond everything. For what purpose I need love? Because there is also some kind of beyond these are all the biological scenarios. Unconsciously, we had some kind of the expectation to doing each and every activities, including this love setup also. So if you are going for the love in the sense, we have some biological fact. These are all the things over there. Beyond that, we had some kind of the reason over there, unconsciously. When we sit down with our mind, when we are spending some times to analyze for what we have loved, in the sense, we can easily come to know is it right way or the wrong way. Then we can go for jumping to the love simultaneously it is right or not, that we can go the next thing only. So first we need to understand, we need to spend some time with our own mindset, with our own mind, with our own past experience with this love. We can easily come to know, we need to come to know that for what purpose we got a love. That is the most important thing, because some of the people, they got a birth in alone in their family, so they need always someone to take care of themselves, like the emotional depending, they're always like the emotional seeking the man or the woman, they're always depending on other people to go for the love. So they are using this concept, the love, they are using it as a tool to kill their loneliness. So if you are really going for the love to kill your loneliness in the sense, absolutely I can tell you that it is a wrong thing. It is a very wrong thing. Just to kill my loneliness, just to be in with someone, I am going for a love in the sense. It is not that much applicable for this life. Because the person, when the opposite person coming to know, you are using them in the sense, they will hurt and they will leave you. So how we are doing towards others, right? So how we are doing this others. If we came to know that somebody is using me in the name of love or in the name of some kind of emotion in the sense, of course yes, we will not accept the same and we will skip those relationship, right? So first we need to understand that love is a natural things. It is fall on the natural way, beyond my killing the loneliness, beyond my I need someone always to acknowledge me, I need someone always to give me something, to praise me, to do anything for me, I need someone like that in the sense. It is totally the wrong way. So the love is a natural thing, it is also falling in the natural way. That is the most important thing. So if you have the loneliness, if you have the fear of to being lonely in the sense, no need to fight with the loneliness, no need to bring someone people to cope up with yourself, no need to do those are all the things. You can be with alone, you can be with alone, you can have some books and read it, and you can go for, you can try to be with your own self. First you need to feel comfort with your own self, then only you can become eligible to have a relationship with others. If you feel like I am the partial human, then I need one of my part to be in fulfilled, like in the sense, then you will never get the wonderful relationship. Because the feel of guilt, the feel of I am very partial only, I am just a part only, the part of me only. So part of me, it is in outer in this world. If you feel in the sense, you are getting more expectation, you are having the more expectation with another one people. That is one. So feel first to try to be in with your own self, feel comfortable with your own self, then with a comfort zone, with the same comfort mindset, it will lead you the right way to have the perfect relationship. When you got fulfilled with your mind in the sense, then you can bring the pure love without expecting anything. You can bring the pure love to another one human being. That is what. So skipping the relationship and jumping again and again for the relationship is not a big matter. You can do that if it is logical. If it is logical to your life, in the sense you can do it. Just because of the emotion, just because of getting bored with the same relationship and having the long time. If I am just going for another one relationship in the sense, that is wrong. Just by killing just to kill my loneliness, I am going for another one relationship is also the bad thing. That is what. So this is what I think I am arriving this answer. So is it right or wrong in the sense, if you are fulfilled, if you have the fulfilled mindset, then you are going for another one relationship in the sense, that is good. When you are arriving this fulfilled mindset in the sense, you will easily come to know whether this person is right or not. Because some of the person who is always there in this world, always suspecting me, always doubting me, whatever I am going for, do it, right? Because they got a inferiority, they got a same feel what I had before, like unfulfilled, the partial mindset in the sense, and we don't need to waste our life with those people. We can skip those relationships. When we got fulfilled mindset, these are all the ideas will come to fall in our mind. That is the matter. So have a fulfilled mindset, being with your own self, then it will lead you what is the best relationship in this world. That's all. So these are all the things we have discussed in the book The Monk Who Do Not Pray. You can go for it if you are really interested, which is available in Amazon. More than it, I have some kind of the peculiar issue with me. Really, I need some counseling, this philosophical counseling, not going for the psychological, but philosophical counseling about this life, about my character, about my behavior. I need some kind of the philosophical hearing section. If you feel like that, in the sense, we have website, the philosophy of Rajkumar.in. You can go for it to book yourself and get an appointment for 1.5 hours. We can discuss these are all the things. That's all. Thank you. Rajkumar Pandian.